Raindrops on the rooftop play a gentle tune. Murmurs in the distance like a sleepy afternoon. Blanket wrapped around me while the coffee brews. Whispered secrets from the sky in shades of misty blue. Windows dark with warmth from a candlelight's embrace. Pitter-patter chronicles fill up the empty space. Washed away in daydreams as the world goes mute. Every drop a rhythm, every sigh like a flute. Raindrops sing a lullaby to my wandering mind. Fleeting little moments in the blurry undefined. Whispers of the weather mend a heart that's gray. In a cozy rainy wonderland I'll quietly stay. Puddles form like paintings in a magical display. Nature's soft recital plays the thoughts away. Cuddled in the quiet where the thunder softly fades. Melodies of rainfall are the perfect serenades. Lost in days of drizzle in a bookish retreat. Journey of the droplets like a gentle heartbeat. Sky so gray it dreams alive in the gentle pour. Time stands still on this cozy rainy floor. Raindrops sing a lullaby to my wandering mind. Fleeting little moments in the blurry undefined. Whispers of the weather mend a heart that's gray. In a cozy rainy wonderland I'll quietly stay.